Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn Google Ads with Shofik. My name is Shofik and I am working as a Google Ads expert for almost 2 years now. In my last video, we have discussed about the Google Ads KPI analysis and we have seen some basic KPIs that you need to monitor on a regular basis to see how your campaign is doing and all that. So today we're gonna make a new campaign and see where it leads us and how to make a new campaign properly. So I hope you can see my screen over here and you can see that there's a new campaign button. So if you click on this new campaign, there's an option, new campaign. When you click on it, it will take some time. Yeah, so here are the campaign objectives. A campaign objective is the ultimate motive why you're running the campaign, all right? So if you want sales, if you want leads, phone calls, website traffic, you have to go through these options over here. The Google Ads has given us a few options as campaign objective. So first of all, there's sales. If you want sales, if you are running an e-commerce store or if you're running a single product e-commerce website, you need sales. Then you need to select this. Then comes the leads. This is for the service websites. If you want to capture leads of your customers, then you need to run lead ads. And if you need website traffic to your website, then you need to choose this option. Then comes the app promotion. This is for promoting any app you have recently launched. And the next one is the awareness and consideration. This is actually being used for the brand awareness. When you launch a new brand and you want people to aware and know about your brand, then you can use these options. Then comes the local store visits and promotions. If you have a local store and you want to promote it, you want to promote it in your locality so that you can get more visitors in your local store, then you should use this. And then there's an option called create a campaign without guidance. I wouldn't recommend you to use this option unless you are a pro. So we will leave this for today, and we will talk about these six options. But mostly, when we work, we use these three options: these sales, leads, and website traffic. These two options are not being used in our daily work life. So if we click on sales, we can see that the sales option is selected, and then comes the conversion goals options. In here you have to select your conversion goals. So for sales, you must select this purchase conversion, but that's another topic to discuss. We will discuss this in detail when we uh, go to the video for the conversion tracking. But for now, I'm going to skip this and I'm going to go down and select continue. So when we select continue, you can see that there's some few more options, and these are being called campaign type. So for sales objective, we have this six campaign types. The first one is the search, that we know as search ads, and the next one is the performance max. This is launched recently by Google using their AI and using their database and all that. It's called performance max, and the next one is the shopping ads. This is related to your merchant center. If you have a merchant center account and if you have catalog over there for your products, you can use these shopping ads. And then comes the demand gen. There's the written description: drive demand and conversions on YouTube, Discover, Gmail, images, and videos. Demand gen ads are basically everything except the search ads. So you name it video ads, you name for YouTube ads, you name it Gmail ads, and all these are counted being in this demand gen type. And the next one is the display ad. Display ads are the banner ad we see on the websites and the image ads and all that. And then comes the video ads. Video ads is basically based on YouTube ads. So YouTube ads and video ads are they both are the same ads. So we have these six types for the sales objective. Then if we select leads, then we again have the conversion goal column. Then let's click continue. And for leads, we have these six campaign types. All right. So next, if you want traffic, you can select website traffic option. If you want web traffic to come to your website and visit it, you can select this one. And for website traffic, we have these six campaign types as well. So let's click on this app promotion. So when we click on app promotion, we have only this one campaign type, that is app. It's quite logical to have this only one this app downloads option for the as campaign type, because for app promotion we need these three options. For one is to make people install the app, one is to make people engage with your app, and if you want pre-registration for your app, then you can use this option as well. All right, so if you select this awareness and consideration, we then have three options. One is to run for reach, maximum reach. You can get maximum reach with this option, and you can get maximum amount of video views with this option. And if you want YouTube subscriptions and engagements, if you want to launch a new channel and make people know about it, you can use this option. So we have these three options for this awareness and consideration apps. So let's continue with our campaign objectives and select this local store. So for local store visits, Google is now allowing us only to use this Performance Max. We don't know, because Performance Max is doing very well for the store promotion ads. So we have this only one option for this local visits campaign objectives. And then you have this option, create a campaign without guidance. If you select that, you have all the options over here, because Google is letting you do. Google is guessing that you are a pro and letting you have all the options, and let you select from these all campaign tabs. So this is about today's video, and I hope uh, we learn about these campaign objectives and campaign types. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and I will put my WhatsApp number and email as well in the description box. So if you have any more questions, you can ask me over there as well. I am working as a Google Ads expert, so if you want me to audit your campaigns or take a look at it, you can also contact me. And if you like my videos, don't forget to let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe as well. All right. So bye bye for now. I hope we will meet in our next videos. Bye bye. Have a good day.